Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove ads on Yahoo Finance. So let's get started. First, it is important to know that the free Yahoo Finance app only shows ads to support the platform. In the app, there is no option to remove them unless you have a premium subscription. Many users don't see Yahoo Finance Premium inside the app. If you tap on your profile and look under the app settings, you might only see things like notification, Face ID, videos and so on, but there is no premium button. So in order to subscribe to premium, you can just open any web browser on your phone or computer. Within the search bar, tap finance.yahoo.com and also make sure that you are signed in with your Yahoo account. Within the Yahoo Finance page, you will see a profile icon. Tap on it. Here you will see option to upgrade to premium. Click on it. Now it will show subscription plan and you can just complete the payment. Once selected the select plan option, it will ask for payment, so please follow the on-screen instruction. So after you upgrade your account, it will become premium and the app will automatically apply the ad-free experience along with the advanced stock data. But if you don't want to pay, you can just use ad blocker like ad blocker, uBlocker Origin or the Brave browser to block most ads in the browser version. Remember that it only works on browser, not inside the mobile app. So if you don't want to use browser and don't want to pay, you can just minimize the distraction by focusing on the portfolio and watchlist section where you have your banner ads, and that's it. If you don't see premium option in the app, you can just subscribe to the website to remove ads and enjoy our ad-free experience. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy finance tips.